The future of detainees being held at a detention center in Texas remains in limbo. The Supreme Court taking emergency action this weekend to temporarily block their removal from the United States. ABC's Selena Wang reports as the administration is appealing the High Court to lift the order.
The Trump administration is asking the Supreme Court to roll back its decision to block the deportation of a group of Venezuelan migrants. They're being held at a detention center in Texas under the Alien Enemies Act, a centuries-old wartime law that provides little or no due process. Solicitor General John Sauer calling the court's decision premature. The administration also asking the justices to limit the order to only pause removals under the Alien Enemies Act, not under other authorities. The highest court issuing the ruling shortly after midnight on Saturday, just hours after the ACLU filed an emergency appeal. Justices Samuel Alito and Clarence Thomas releasing their dissent, calling the order unprecedented and legally questionable relief. President Trump's border czar telling ABC News the administration is following the law.
We're using the laws on the books, the statutes on the books, to secure the border and remove significant public safety threats and national security threats to this country.
The ACLU's lead attorney accuses the administration of unilaterally claiming people are gang members, but not giving them the chance to go to court and show they're not.
We know that multiple people have been erroneously tagged as members of this gang, but once they get to a Salvadoran prison, they may never get out for the rest of their life.
The Alien Enemies Act was invoked back in March to deport Venezuelan migrants to a prison in El Salvador. Among them, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who the administration has admitted was erroneously deported. Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen traveled to El Salvador where he met with Abrego Garcia. He says his visit was about defending the Constitution.
My mission and my purpose is to make sure that we uphold the rule of law, because if we take it away from him, we do jeopardize it for everybody else.
Selena Wang, ABC News, Washington.